Respira. And out. There we go. Boca abajo. Double right. Lean back. Oh. Good. Respira. Yeah. Respira. Deep breath in and out. Good. One more time, deep breath in and out. Good. I'm gonna rotate you like that. Good. Relax your legs for me. Good. Feel that in there?
Oh, good.
Good. Deep breath in and out. Good. There you go. How'd that feel?
No, it felt good.
Good.
Yeah. Yeah, it definitely feels better.
No thoracic junction here. And we're going to start with the T2 on that left side. Good. There you go. Drop down to a T3 on the right. Good. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. One more time, deep breath in and out. There we go. Rotate you that way. Look over the shoulder for me. Okay. There it was. And lay face down again for me. Back like that. Yep. Good. Flip to the other side. Yeah. Good. Good. There we go. Lay on your back for me. Go releasing the ankle, the knees, going up to the hips. Relax, relax. Let me have your leg. There we go. Release real nice. Okay, so I'm going to lean you back just a little bit. Okay. Squeeze your elbows together. A little tighter. Alright. I'm going to have you take a seat. From up top, going all the way down.
Oh my God. Oh, wow.
Here. Take a deep breath in. And exhale out. One more time. And out. There it was. Look over the shoulder for me.
Oh, Jesus! Okay. Okay.
And relax your legs for me. There it was.
Okay.
Squeeze your elbows together. Good. Oh yeah.
This is crazy. Oh! Whoa! 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 Okay.
Hand breathe.
Okay. 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 All right. Oh.
There we go. Good. Take a deep breath in and exhale out.
Oh, that was good.
Deep breath in and out. Okay, this arm. Yep, up and over, and then bring this one up and over. Good. Try to rotate it like that.
Oh, oh.
Okay.
I always do that by myself.
There we go. And coming up. Bring your hands up and over mine. Yep. Okay, lean back. Squeeze your elbows together. Good. Good. And relax. Okay. And then take a seat right here.
Oh, I can feel the pain there.
Can you?
Yes. Oh shit!
Deep breath
That
in.
was so good. Oh my god.
Breathe.
Oh.
Deep breath out.
Oh my god.
They can't wait for tables to get done. I can't either. Breathe. Just like that. Yes, ma'am. Woo, we're getting full tilt divas on those.
Look, my reflexes.
Yeah, they actually have reflexes now.
Mhm.
There you go. There you go. Doors. The same as I would if Jesus Christ himself walked in here. I bet you Jesus would have loved to ring dinner. And yes, she's still kicking. I'm not gonna do that one today. I'm gonna do the. So on this one, you want to keep your teeth together, Russell. Don't bite your tongue. Breathe through your nose. Okay. There it is.
Holy moly.
Now, you should have felt that from your skull all the way down to your low back, Russell.
Yes, sir.
Look at there. You're kicking even better.
Wow.
Yeah, that's a wow adjustment. I got you. Tilt left just a bit. Nope. There you
yes,
go.
sir.
Tilt right. That's it. Yes, sir. The exception of these pins. There you go. Keep your teeth together for me on this one. Just breathe through your nose. There you go.
Nice.
So to really get
So good.
everything in the body, which is really what differentiates my technique from most chiropractors, is I'm adjusting everything. Oh yeah, crack addicts definitely don't love you too. Let's put this under your skull. There you go. Okay. So breathe through your nose. I got you. Just like that. Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
You should have felt that go
yeah.
all the way down.
oh my gosh.
Keep breathing. That's one of the most common things we get after doing the ring dinger. I got you, hon. There you go. Tilt right, wiggy left toe. There you go. Got you. And adjusting on her shoulders. There it is, right there. Perfect. I don't have to ask twice if you felt that one all the way down.
Oh, I definitely did. Whew.
There you go.
Oh,
Good thing Renee's not in the room today. She's bad.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, relax.
When it first came in, it was sore, but afterwards it was
Was it a
good.
little better? Gotcha, gotcha. It was so tight after I adjusted. He went to Mexico, as you guys. He sat in the car about 5 hours. So much better now than this morning.
Woo-wee.
Did you hear that, dog? That was big, man.
Oh, yeah.
You got a big melon, too. Good. Okay, bring this up a little bit. Okay, drop your head now. Turn towards me. There we go. Neck, I'm going to adjust right through it. I'm going to give her neck the opportunity to work properly. You got to put the biomechanics back in place. Okay, right there. Just relax, get up. Okay. Good. What were you going to say there? I heard something coming out of your mouth. That moved a ton. Moved good.
I can hear it.
Yeah, not just noise. A lot of times I'm looking for, but I actually feel movement of the spine. So really good. Yeah, you can feel it so much more relaxed already. Okay, you have this. Good, nice. It looks like one of those whistles. Good, nice. Means that where it's just the big pain is gone. We need to take care of the little pain, but that the 25% still, because she does have underlying problems that we're working on still, and she hasn't been in for a month. So we're gonna get this adjusted. Good, beautiful. To stabilize. Yeah, his neck is popping already. Can we have this? Good, nice. Good. Outside. Good, nice. Oh, wow. Up ahead. See how he's helping, guys? This muscle shouldn't be acting like this. So he needs to just stop helping, just let his head be heavy on the table. That's much better. Good. Yeah, right here. Now I'm going to focus on C5, C6. Good. And go C4 on this side. Good. Beautiful. Okay, relax. Chin up a little bit here. Good. Just let your head be heavy on the table, okay? Come towards me. She's really kind of nervous here. Good. Wonderful. What is your initial take on that versus what you saw on camera? Okay, right there. She's still a little nervous. Just think heavy on the table, please. Just heavy. Just think heavy, right? Good. There we go. Still okay, right?
Yeah.
Good. As she swallows her. Okay, chin up for more. Good, relax. Good, nice. Okay. Side. And just so you guys understand where I'm adjusting, so where you understand, Angelina, is I'm adjusting right in the middle of that curve. How that curve goes the opposite way. So we're pushing it back into the proper direction to take pressure off the atlas again. Indirectly working on making the whole spine better, but taking pressure off the brainstem. Okay, closer. Good, nice. And what you can feel in her neck is a lot of tension. So it's not easy to push it that way. But you guys heard it move. That's her story right now. I hope you guys enjoyed the x-ray explanation. We'll get her.
Take a deep breath. Out. Sweaty junction. The pressure like whole spine. Keep the pressure like whole spine. Little bit track. Little bit track. Little bit track. Track. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. Okay. Turn now. This side also. This side also. Little bit track. This track for whole vertebra like decrease the spaces. Decrease the spaces like a whole vertebra. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. No problem in like a hip joint and knee joint. Okay. Can't be fold. It's enough. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. Just lie down. Keep it up loose. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. Breathe out. In front is also locked.
We just take care of all of that. That's tight right there, huh? Yeah. Let's get this. Go ahead, breathe in and out. Good. Good. That was pretty good. Right there, good. Good. Let's go right there. Breathe in, hold your breath in. Good, nice. Back up here, tight there. Okay, one more in and out, all the way. Good. Good. Just a little click right there. Let's go right there. All right, keep this relaxed. Table, and I was like, ah, he's gonna be here soon. Good, nice and relaxed there. Perfect. All right, I'll go the other way. Definitely needed that after all that jumping around. Huh?
Tell me.
Relax there. It's already going nice and relaxed here. Good. Good. Okay, on your back now. That looks good. 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 Okay. One more time in. All the way up. breathe in, hold it. Good, relax. Okay. All right, nice and easy here. Oh, perfect. That's already moving. Relax. Good. Next.
First, just so you can kind of feel it out, okay? Now I'm gonna follow your breath down like this, then loosey-goosey, just when we get to the end, we're just gonna give a little push like that.
Okay.
Okay, nice and gentle, breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth. Good, let it all sink in, let it all go.
Yeah, it's good.
Out through your mouth. Good, let this come down, good. Good, keep breathing.
Ooh.
A little bit more. Now try to like relax, loosey-goosey here. Good, let your shoulders relax. Good, turn your head so you're facing straight that way. So for this one, what I'm gonna do, Julia, is bring it down like this, and then push in that direction, okay?
Okay.
Okay, same thing, deep breath in, and out. Good.
Oh my heaven.
Okay, now the feeling that you want to concentrate on here is just dropping, just letting it go. Let me do all the work. Good. Okay, take a deep breath in through your nose, now through your mouth. Okay, so let's test the left side here. Okay, nice soft breath in through your nose and out. Good.